Welcome to another tutorial on the FM1000 Plus app inside the XCN 2050 display. Today I want to go over a little bit of the run screen of the FM1000 Plus app, and that can be accessed by going to the Open Field button on the home screen. Once we do that, we just need to confirm our configuration selection. It gives us one last chance if we want to change a display setting or guidance or something like that. So we'll hit OK. And then we're going to confirm our grower farm and field that we have set up. That's fine. And then once we're done with that, we are at the run screen. It's just letting me know here, just a warning pops up that lets me know that auto steering is available if I want to utilize that. But just some basic run screen settings here. Whatever plugin or unlock that you may have in the display. In our case, it's guidance. I have autopilot set up here. I also have some general guidance settings. That's all accessed from the right hand side here. So if I had water management or if I had a Field IQ application system set up, it's all going to show up on the right hand side here. Your guidance, your coverage mapping, all of that's going to be down here at the bottom. This gives you the ability to engage on those systems. If you had an external remote like water management that you were using, all of that information or all that buttons would be down here as well. The type of coverage map that you want to paint will depend upon what you're actually doing. So you may have different options here. We do have a few options: cross-track error, speed, GPS quality. It'll depend upon mainly the plugin that you have selected within the display. Over here you can change between overhead view and trailing view if you would like to change the view of your run screen. I prefer trailing view, but this is totally customizable, totally optional. Up here on the top you'll see the number of GPS receivers, number of satellites that you may be plugged into if you click on this icon here. Since we're sitting inside a building right now, we won't be getting GPS, so that's just why that's redded out right now. If you go to the eye icon here, this just gives you kind of a minimized view of the run screen. You can put more information here if you wanted to. The magnifying glass, this gives you a different view. The unlock, this gives you a really detailed explanation of all of the plugins that are available. So something that's really handy if you're unfamiliar with the FM1000 Plus app and want to learn more about the plugins that are available. So something that's really useful. Up here on the top you can see there is a virtual light bar that you can utilize. You can turn that on and be able to use the light bar within the display. Not something that's really popular with this display, but nevertheless is something that you can utilize. You can actually minimize these right-hand panels here to make this run screen larger too if you wanted to, so that's something that you can utilize as well. You can always go back to settings here, but if you're wanting to close out a field, most of the time if you're wanting to change anything within a different grower farm field, it's going to make you close out of the system, close out of the run screen, and you can do that by just clicking on the home screen here, and it's going to give you an option whether you want to close out the field or not. And we'll go ahead and close it out. That's pretty much it on the run screen regarding the FM1000 Plus app.